if you're using a GUI based file manager, you should consider using a terminal-based file manager instead. It's much more minimal, and if you're like me and wanting to have as much system resources available to programs that actually need them is important to you, then I think you should consider switching to something like Ranger in the terminal. And I'm going to go through and show you Ranger. One of the reasons why I think people don't typically use terminal-based file managers is they can seem daunting, and also it's out of sheer laziness most of the time. I was using PCManFM mainly because I just didn't put in the effort to learn the Ranger keyboard shortcuts, and I mean, it's really much easier to manage your files inside of the terminal than you might think. So let's go ahead and do it. I'm just going to open up my terminal here and launch into Ranger, and as you can see here, we get my files. We start off in my home folder, and you can navigate using the key up down arrows and left and right to go in and out of folders, or up and down in folders. And you can also use the Vim keys to go up and down as well, which I really do like. You can also get image previews using I believe the other one is called W3M, but I'm using Uberzug, and I found it to be great for loading images here in Ranger. So if I go down here and just hover over an image, you'll see it pops up and loads in perfectly fine here in Ranger. And I will go ahead and say, if you're like me and you're opening up other programs and stuff in your window manager, if for some reason after you open up another program, your Ranger window starts to look all weird, if you just press Control L, it'll actually refresh the Ranger window and make sure that it looks proper, however your screen's changed. So just a little keyboard shortcut there that's very important to know. And then we're going to go through here, and in my downloads folder, you'll see I've got all of these pictures here. And I just want to show you how to easily, cut and paste something and create a folder. So let's say I want to go ahead and copy this Chrome logo into my pictures folder, but I want to make a new folder in this directory to put it in. Well, you can just do colon and MK, and you can just press tab to autocomplete mkdir, just like you would do in the terminal, and we'll type out a name here. I'm gonna call this thumbnail logos. And you'll see here in Ranger, I messed up here and put the quotes in. I always forget this. You actually don't have to, oh, whoops, I just copied that. That's not what I wanted to do. Alright, I'm messing up all over the place. There we go. Just delete that. And so we can actually just go ahead and type it out without any quotes. You won't need it. So we'll do thumbnail logos. Perfect. And so now we can go over here into our downloads folder, and you can do the shortcut, the keyboard shortcut, good lord, DD, and that will copy that, cut that, and then we can go over here into thumbnail logos and PP and paste it in there. And if we go back over into my downloads, you'll see it's now gone from this directory and it's been put over in that new one. And so Ranger is, I know it can look really daunting to get set up, but it's really not that scary. So if we go ahead, close out of there, I will go ahead and load up our my config file for Ranger. Alright, inside of my Ranger config, really the only things that I've set up is ensuring that preview images is set to true, and then setting the method for preview images to Uberzug so that they display properly. And that's about all that I've had to change in here. I don't think I've made really any other edits to the Ranger config. It's a fantastic program. I absolutely love it. And if you're looking for a file manager that's lightweight, terminal based, and really just is straight to the point and you can get work done fast in it, Ranger is the best terminal-based file manager that I've found so far. VIFM, if you haven't heard of it or aren't familiar with it, is another fantastic file manager that is terminal based. However, I do prefer Ranger. I haven't used VIFM and image previews, so I don't know how well they work, but I know inside of Ranger, image previews work very well, and that's a big thing for me inside of the terminal. I do want a lightweight terminal file browser, but I also want it to be able to display my images that I have in folders. That's a big thing for me. So if that's a big thing for you, I definitely recommend Ranger. PCManFM is a fantastic file manager, and I know most people like me who want something minimalistic shoot for PCManFM when they're installing Arch. If you haven't put the time in to really learn Ranger and see if it could replace PCManFM, I definitely recommend trying it. It's fantastic. Thank you for watching the video. I had a really fun time talking about it. I've been loving using Ranger, so I've really enjoyed being able to tell you about it. Hopefully you'll give it a shot too. And if you want to support me and the content that I make here, just head on over to LBRY or Odysee. There is a link in the description, and you can watch me over there, and you get paid in LBC when you do stuff on the platform, and you can tip me in that, and it's much appreciated. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.